Hello guys, welcome to Step Up Lives. This video is going to be part of a complete series on ChatGPT to make your job search very easy. All of us know that ChatGPT is something that is going to help you get to answers very easily. But very important to understand what kind of prompt that you should give ChatGPT to get the best answers from it. Today we will learn a simple ChatGPT AI prompt for making a good resume. If you go onto my screen and see what is the prompt that is most eligible when I am talking about a actionable resume for a position in which you are supposed to mention the position you're applying for and the skills, having experience and education. If you structure it in this manner, you will find a lot of help in a detailed resume. For example, if I do write an actionable resume for a software engineer with Java, distributed systems, having 2 years of experience in Google and 1 year of tip season and completed masters at Harvard. This is an example. For example, let's go to the ChatGPT window and just try to paste it here and let's see what is the kind of response that ChatGPT will give you. It started with a resume information and talking about the summary skills that are actually very much relevant to the job that I am going to apply. Look at the structure, look at the information that ChatGPT is providing to you when you structure a prompt in a particular manner. Very important to understand that ChatGPT works well only when you have a very good prompt like this on a resume template. So if you will see that you have this complete template ready for your resume, which can be directly used to target a resume and a job using these ChatGPT tools. If you like this content, then definitely subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends. In the description, I will provide this prompt to you so that you can easily pick your actionable resume for a position of a software developer with skills of full stack development, 2 years of experience and BTech in computer science. Just try this prompt, put your things in your comment section and let us try to help each other with the help of ChatGPT getting their jobs. Thank you so much and bye bye.